Hi everyone, if you are using Canva to create your media designs, then you'll know it's got a great database of text fonts to choose from. However, it can get rather time consuming and frustrating trying to find a particular font to suit the design that you're creating. However, there is a way to speed up this process. So to demonstrate, what I've got here is a little image of some kittens. I'm going to create a little sort of birthday card from this. So what we normally do, come across the heading, add some text. I'm just going to call it happy birthday. There we go, just going to move that up into the corner there. That text font's a little bit boring, and what I'd like to do is change that to something that's a little bit brighter. So what we'd normally do is just highlight it, and then come across the text, and then pan down trying to find the particular font that you want. However, what you can do, get the search bar and type in the word happy. And it will give you some suggestions as to what to use. So for example, we've now got one that looks a little bit brighter, or maybe we can choose this. Or maybe you was making something that was a bit more sort of classic, so if you type in the word classic in the search bar. There you go, gives you some fonts that you think that will suit your particular sort of application. Another demonstration maybe, you could have something like, I don't know, say if you was doing something that was a bit sci-fi, so you could put sci-fi in. And it gives you some there. It's just a quicker way to find a particular font that you want without having to trawl through all the numerous text fonts that Canva has. Thanks for watching.